Okay, so we're at Lowe's
We're shopping.
picking up stuff for the van rebuild on the inside. So far,
So good.
all that stuff down yonder. This is just for the where the freezer area is. Yeah, all that stuff right there is for the rebuild of the freezer to make it into a seat area. Okay, today we are starting the renovations in the van. So this is gonna be all emptied out. Right now it's full of food, literally. I think we had enough to go for about a month easy. But we'll get this thing emptied. And gotta do something with this back piece right here. Take this off. And we can start disassembling everything. And then we can start with the project. So we'll see how it goes. Late start to the day because literally it was below freezing outside. So yeah. Well, we'll get there. We'll get there. This thing taken apart. Later on, let's get you facing that way. Okay, this is it so far. About 20 minutes of work to get it to this. All this is coming out, so I'll record more in a little bit. Okay, that part's done. This is staying in here. I already mounted that to the frame of the vehicle, so that's going to be good for mounting the top shelf when we put it in a little bit later. But this part's out. So now I gotta move the fridge freezer out the way, get this piece out of there, then we can start disassembling all the stuff on the bottom. Okay, that was the shelf that the fridge was on for the past 2 years. So that's gonna get removed. That's a good 8.5, 9 inches tall. That way it lowers it down. So we can actually use the fridge freezer as basically a seating area So this is coming out next. Stand by for that. Okay, we're getting there, slow and steady. I overbuilt that originally, way too much. But there wasn't a single loose bolt or nut on the 80/20. So we're getting there. Oh yeah, it's on now.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm here to help.
Yep, because we gotta move all this crap and junk outside so there's actually space to work in here. Because there ain't no space back there right now. You want a vacuum? Okay. That's Sissy helping. Good job. I like your hat. Okay, so that's the EcoFlow charging and powering the vacuum cleaner that we got about 4 months ago, 5 months ago, and it works brilliant. Okay, so that's where we got to the day. The fridge freezer is back in place. It is now going to be a bench seat. Behind, I gotta make some sort of backrest, and because there's such a good amount of space back there, we'll probably make a shoe rack for back there, and the backrest will open up so you can get to the shoe rest, and then there'll be a shelf at the top for all the video stuff, cameras. And there's going to be a new electrical distribution panel up here somewhere. All this is going away as well. So we shall see. Okay, so we're doing the renovation on the inside of the van. It's going to take a couple months to get finished. So there'll be little videos every week. May not be too long, but we're going to get there. And hopefully it's going to look good in the end. I originally overbuilt this with the 80/20. I mean, there wasn't a single bolt loose today, and it could have supported tons of weight in there. But the good news is,
I got to see the VA nurse, and they looked over my meds and everything, and they let the doctor know at the appointment that I just dropped in. But they let the doctor or the nurse practitioner know that I needed it all. And so they're going to give me all new refills. A lot of them were taken off my list and then adding back on. And I'll get meds. And also, she said, is there anything else? And I said, yeah, my leg since October. I've been waiting to see for emergency supposed consult. But the civilian place I went to submitted it supposedly twice and never did. So they said, what? Your leg's probably healed by now. I said, yeah. I've been staying at home waiting for the call to go.
So basically, we left that clinic and had to drive an hour and 10 minutes to Wilmington so she could get her leg x-rayed again.
Yeah, but they said definitely I'm going to get.
Yeah, but even though it was MRI'd 3 months ago.
Yeah, but they don't have the access.
It's good. It's
They're
good.
supposed to have access. I told them to give the VA access, but since the other stuff wasn't working through that civilian place, but.
So that's the good news. Hopefully your leg will get fixed sometime soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the other thing was with the fractured tibia was scaring me. I know that they can stitch up stuff or add things in or replace my knee as far as the knee goes, but it's the fractured tibia thing that was scaring the bejeebus out of me.
So that's a little update on us while we're doing this, and we will catch you next time.
Yeah.
Love you.
Yep, I'm sure you found something else for me to sweep up.
Hey, and thanks for all the new subscribers. That's amazing.
Yeah.
We love it.
Yeah.
It's great. So thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
All right. Love ya.
See ya.
See ya.